All right, boys and girls, we've been having some issues with Canvas lately, so I'm going to show you how you can access Canvas without going into the actual app. So we're going to go down here to the Safari button, and it's going to pop up a Google page like this. All right, and up at the top, you should see Gmail, images, and if it doesn't come up to Google, just go to google.com. You should see Gmail, images, and then we call this the waffle. You're gonna click on the waffle, and as long as you're logged into Google already, you should see all these options. When you scroll down, we can find this one that says Canvas. You're gonna click on Canvas, and it will load your Canvas page. Now, it'll most likely pop up like this, your dashboard, which then you'll just pick on the class that you need. So for example, this is my class, so Miss Martin, they'll click on that one. And now you should have access to Canvas just like we would before. Hopefully this will help you get into some of those assignments that haven't been loading. If you still need help, you can always just send a message to your teachers.